You might catch me sleeping on a soft feather bed where the moss grows green and heavy. Is where I lay my head. Frogs and things are croaking. River around me swirls on an island in my happy little world. White knights do ride horses and do battle for the hand of the fairest maidens in this enchanted land. Give him happy endings. The guy always gets a girl.
Hey, no barking.
His happy little world. So and so she's gone now. That's an oft recurring theme. My outlook still is rosy, though it's not like I had dreamed. The lady luck would brush my face with her long, soft, golden curls, and then leave me in my happy little world. When I have a penny, I'll often make a wish. Throw it in the river, and that'll jump a fish. Sometimes I'll just dive right in, and I'll come up with a pearl from the oyster of my happy little world. Happy, 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 in my happy little world.
Hey!
Well, things they could be better, and things they could be worse. I've ridden in an ambulance, but never in a hearse. Tragedy makes front page news in the Daily Morning Herald. I'll take the funnies back to my happy little world. Let that sourpuss be sour. Hey, I don't give a damn. And she fly, it don't bother me, 'cause I'm as happy as a clam. I march behind the majorette with the baton that she twirls. And it's halftime in my happy little world. Happy, 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 in my happy little world. So you can call it an asylum, and those will say what's real. And don't you hate it when somebody tries to tell you what to think and what to feel? Spray painting graffiti, finger painting little murals in the schoolyards of my happy little world.
Hey!
So if you catch me sleeping on that feather bed so soft, with angels singing over me and my head upon the moss, stand back with your warnings, and with the heresies you might hurl about a doomsday in my happy little world. Happy, 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 in my happy little world.